Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Maldonado, and this is my daughter, Rosie. And this week for your extra assignment, it's Cooking in the Kitchen, Part 2, having to do with division of ingredients. So today we're going to model and show you what to do, and we're going to make Jell-O! Thumbs up if you like Jell-O. We do.
We cook Jell-O sometimes, and this time sometimes we do Oreo, sometimes we do raspberry.
Today's going to be raspberry Jell-O, okay? So Rosie and I are going to show you how to mix it up and also how to divide it up into containers with equal amounts. Right, Rosie?
Yeah.
Okay. So step 1 is you need 2 cups, say 2 cups.
2 cups.
Boiling hot water. As you can see, it's steaming hot. So this is where you probably need a parent or an older sibling to help you. Right, Rosie?
Yeah.
Okay, get back a little bit. I don't want it to splash you.
So hot.
Very hot and steamy. Okay. Now, the next step is we are going to dissolve the Jell-O. Let me open it. Make sure you get everything in the bowl and you don't make a mess. Right, Rosie?
Yeah. Okay, what are you doing?
Here you go. Pour it in nice and slow.
Whoa, that looks so cool.
Cool.
It's like red as blood.
So as she's pouring it in, I'm whisking it. This is called a whisker. If you can see it. So we're just going to whisk it. Go ahead, Rosie. Nice and slow. Go ahead. Mix it up nice and slow.
Mom, I'm not going to drink it. I'm just going to smell it.
How's it smell?
Oh, good.
Okay, so now I'm going to take 2 cups of cold water, and as she's whisking it, I'm going to add it in nice and slow. Awesome. Keep whisking, keep whisking. Okay.
Bubbles.
So I did 2 cups of hot boiling water, 2 cups of cold water. Rosie, what's 2 plus 2?
4.
Nice job. High five. We're working on adding. So we have a total of 4 cups. So we have 4 cups total of Jell-O.
Mom, can you smell it?
Sure, go ahead and smell it.
No, you.
Smells like raspberry. Now, I need to take my 4 cups of water and divide it equally into 6 containers. Try to make it as equal as possible.
Yeah.
And I'm going to use this ladle. It has a little pour on the side.
Can I do it? Just one.
So this is where my story problem will come into place. I'm starting with 4 cups. Nice and slow. And Rosie's going to divide it up into 6 equal groups.
Mom, I did it.
Mm-hmm. So we're going to write our story problem here.
No.
Rosie.
Mama, I kind of dropped a little.
That's okay. Try to be neat. Rosie and Mom have 4 cups of yummy Jell-O. We want to put an equal amount into 6 containers. Okay? So that's a great start, and we're going to end our story problem with a question, right, Rosie?
Yeah.
So my question is going to be, how much would be in each container? How much Jell-O would
be in a container?
Be what?
Be in a container.
Be in, good. Each container.
It's a lot of words.
It is a lot of words. That's 5th grade. Rosie, what's this called at the end?
Question mark.
A question mark. Because when we're asking a question, we want to end in a question mark.
Okay, I'm drinking a little.
So I'll read it back to you. Our story problem that we made together is Rosie and Mommy have 4 cups of Jell-O. Hang on.
Chicken.
We want to put an equal amount into 6 containers. No, thank you. How much Jell-O would be each container? So this is our story problem. Keep pouring, Rosie. Keep pouring more into each one.
More?
Yeah, go ahead. A little bit more in each one. Now if we're going to solve it, what did we start with? How many cups were in here, Rosie? Do you remember?
No.
We had 4 cups. We divided it into 6 containers. 4 goes first. That's our dividend because we're starting with 4 cups. That's what we're dividing up. We're dividing it up into 6 groups. So in order for you to understand my problem, I'm going to draw a model. 4 holes.
Like this?
1. Nice job. 2, 3, 4. Here's my 4 whole cups, right? Now I'm going to divide each hole into 6 parts.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So each hole has 6 parts. 4 holes divided by 6 parts. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade in one section of each hole.
Patricia's barking.
It's okay. So if I shade in one part of each hole, Charlie, sorry, that's our dog. That would be one section of each. So that little shaded part represents one container here. If I'm dividing up each hole into 6 parts, so that's like container 1, container 1, container 1, container 1. So that means that container 1 would have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of how many parts are in each hole? All together. 6 in each.
Water. Mommy, 2 gallons.
So that would be 4, 6. Each container would be 4, 6 of a cup. So here we have 4 divided by 6, and that can be represented as taking my 4, making it my numerator. The 6 becomes my denominator. Rosie, can you say 4, 6?
4, 6.
All right. So your assignment this week is to, number 1, create a story problem. Can you say that?
Story problem.
Using cooking.
Cooking.
And then solve your problem using division. Have some fun in the kitchen and do an activity with a sibling or a parent. Stay tuned for next week for our next activity.
Bye.
Bye for now. We're going to enjoy our yummy Jell-O. Right, Rosie?
Yeah.
Bye, guys.